Hello, I am Sakshi Pawar. I am going to explain about the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. At first, prokaryotic cell is a unicellular cell. Prokaryotic cell do not contain any membrane-bound structure. Prokaryotic cell is simple cell, and the diameter of prokaryotic cell is also small. The example of prokaryotic cell is bacteria and archaea. Prokaryotic cell do not contain nucleus in it. Instead, it contains nucleolus. The various organelles such as nucleolus, ribosomes, and then pili, fimbriae, cell wall, cell membrane, capsule. These all are present in the prokaryotic cell. At first, nucleolus is made up of the DNA. It is present in the prokaryotic cell. Then cell wall is there for to provide proper structure, and also to protect it from the to give it protection. Then also cell membrane is present in the prokaryotic cell. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is present in the prokaryotic cell. Then after plasma membrane or cell membrane, various structures like a pili is present in the prokaryotic cell. Then fimbriae is also present in the prokaryotic cell. Fimbriae is tail-like structure. Fimbriae is present in the prokaryotic cell only for the motility purpose. Then after fimbriae, capsule is also present. Capsule is made up of carbohydrate. And this all about the prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is a unicellular cell. It do not contain membrane bound structure. Then talking about eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is a multicellular cell. It contains various organelles and also nucleus. Various structures like nucleus, ribosomes, cell wall, cell membrane. These all are present in the eukaryotic cell. In nucleus, various genetic material is present, and then ribosomes are present in the eukaryotic cell, which work for the protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is essential in eukaryotic cell. Then cell wall is present in the eukaryotic cell, which is for the protection purpose. Then cell membrane is also present in the eukaryotic cell. And vacuole is also present in eukaryotic cell. Vacuole is for the storage purpose, to store in it. And then in such a way, these all organelles are present in the eukaryotic cell. Then comparison of prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Then transcription, talking about transcription and translation. Transcription and translation in the prokaryotic cell is coupled, but in eukaryotic cell the transcription and translation is not coupled. Then now we'll see difference between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Talking about difference in prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. At first, prokaryotic cell is a unicellular cell, and eukaryotic cell is a multicellular cell. It is not unicellular. Then in prokaryotic cell, it is a smaller in size, and eukaryotic cell is larger in size. The diameter of prokaryotic cell is small, and the diameter of eukaryotic cell is large. Prokaryotic cell contains nucleolus instead of nucleus, but in eukaryotic cell nucleus is present. Prokaryotic cell is not membrane bound structure, but eukaryotic cell contain membrane bound structure. In prokaryotic cell mitochondria is not present, but in eukaryotic cell the organelle like mitochondria is actually present. In prokaryotic cell nucleus is not present, but in eukaryotic cell nucleus is present. The example of prokaryotic cell is bacteria and archaea, but the example of eukaryotic cell are plants, animals, protozoa and fungi. These all are the example of eukaryotic cell. In such a way, this was the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Both the cells are crucial. Scientists have found that before 2.7 billion years ago, prokaryotes were there, and eukaryotes evolved from the prokaryotic cell. Thank you.